Let's see what you need to start your vector design journey with Figma. First of all, you need a computer, obviously. You don't need any drawing tablets or stuff like that. Just a simple mouse and keyboard will suffice. A few pieces of paper plus something to draw on the papers with. And you'll also need an internet connection because Figma is an online software. I know working with an app that needs internet connection doesn't sound like a pleasant experience, but let me tell you the benefits of an online program. You no longer have to save your work every 30 seconds in case the app crashes, which Figma has never crashed for me anyways. Your files are always safe, and on top of that, always available on any device anywhere as long as there is network available. It allows you to open the program with a frigging browser, which means as long as your system is strong enough to open a browser, which is literally every system ever, then you'll be able to open Figma with no problem. And best of all, you can bring people into your files to work together in real time. Trust me, my internet connection is total ass, and yet in my 3 years of working with Figma, that has never been an issue. Especially when you consider the fact that the connection is just for loading and saving the files. You can disconnect your network while working and nothing will stop you. Alright, now let's see how to create an account. For those of you who are experienced in this regard, just go to figma.com and sign up. But if you have never created any online account in your life, let me show you around. Go to their website and click on this sign up button. It asks for an email and password. Enter an active email address because it will send you a link for the final activation. Then choose a custom password. After that, you'll need to enter a username which will be displayed to other users as well, and specify what are we going to do with Figma. Obviously, we're going to be using it for design and for personal use. Also check this box if you want to receive mails like news, events, stuff like that. Here we have been informed that the email has arrived, so open your inbox and the Figma mail should be right here. Open this, click verify email, and boom, done deal. It opens your account where you'll be greeted by the majestic sight of Figma's user interface. Just give it a minute, it's trying to load. Now it wants you to choose a team name, but we don't have anything to do with teams right now. Again, another pop-up saying make a new file and start working, but we don't want to do that, so just click this, I'll get it started on my own, which is a nice complicated way of saying piss off. Now up here, click on this circle thing and the menu pops up, which displays the account options. Click on the settings here and you can upload a photo. Oh shit. You can choose a photo for your account and also do other stuff like change your name, password, email, blah blah blah, whatever. Now from this point on, you either gotta keep using Figma inside your browser or download the desktop app. I'm gonna record these videos inside the desktop app because I like the desktop app, but you choose whichever you want, especially if you're looking for dark mode, because browser extensions that activate dark mode also work in Figma. But either way, you gotta go search download Figma in Google and open this link. If you want a desktop app, here it is. If you want to work in browser, download your font installer in order to embed your fonts into the browser as well. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Next time we'll actually get to work in Figma.